Hi everyone, this video gonna teach you how to write an image file to your SD card or your USB. First of all, you have to go to Google and then search for 32 Win32 disk image writer. Download it, click the link, download. Once your download is done, click to install it, accept, next, and next, create a desktop shortcut, next, and install it. Now launch the Win32 disk imager. Okay, now before you write an image file into your USB or your SD card, make sure that you have plugged in your USB or your SD card. Before that, you make sure that your USB or your SD card is already formatted. Now I'm gonna select my image file which I put in my desktop. Click open. My device is E, so let's begin. Press write. Once you have done writing, press exit. You are ready to go. So if this video helps you, please hit me a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.